I'm Leah and welcome to my channel. I am recording this a few days post-Thanksgiving, so all of you in the US, I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. You were able to spend it with family, friends, people that you really love and care about. I hope you were able to eat some wonderful food, but did not gorge yourself. And maybe you did a little shopping afterwards. I don't know. I mean, I know a lot of stores were closed Thanksgiving Day, which is totally fine because I don't usually go to the store to shop. I shop online, which is what I did. I bought some stuff from the brand Myell, and I also bought some things from Ulta. So I'm going to share with you what I got. I didn't do a ton of shopping. I was very strategic in what I bought. I had my eye on certain things from certain brands or certain stores that I wanted, and I was like, if the discount is right, I will get it. If it's not, then I won't. I mean, I've got a really decent stash of particularly hair products that I was going through the other day, and I saw stuff that I was like, I don't even remember when I got this. I didn't remember this was here. I might have to do a video of my hair stash. If you're interested in that, go ahead, leave a note in the comments down below, and I'll do a video of all of the products in my hair stash. Before we dig into this box and this bag, let me ask you to do a little something for me. It could be like a little Christmas present for me. I'm asking you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel within the YouTube algorithms, and it would make my day if you became a subscriber. I bought some things, like I said, at Ulta and from the brand Myell. I actually have another box of Myell stuff because I did 2 different orders, but it's not a whole lot of products in each order. And the second box has not arrived. I think it was supposed to arrive today according to the UPS email that I got, but I looked literally right before I started recording this video and it had not arrived. So we're just going to have to do that box on a separate day. All right, let's dig into the bag here from Ulta. And the first product that I bought is one that I've had my eye on for a while. It's not actually I've had my eye on the product, I've had my eye on the brand. I started following them after I saw a really interesting and intriguing review from an influencer that I follow on Instagram, and I was like, why not try this out? These are gel nail strips from the brand Dashing Diva, and I don't paint my nails because the nail polish doesn't last very long on them. I've had this problem for years, pretty much my whole life. I will get a manicure, whether I do it myself or I go to a salon. I've gone to different salons, 2 different states, and I've had the same result where the nail polish literally starts chipping a few hours afterwards. So the manicure barely lasts a day because it doesn't look good usually after a day. And so then before the week is out, I end up taking it all off. But I thought maybe the gel nail strips might be better and might last longer. I got, what is the shade that I got? Hold on, please. I got the Rose Sparkle palette. So it's got kind of like a matte pink, a sparkle like clear, and then there's also like a design thing. So you can kind of mix and match them where you have some nails with a design, some with sparkle, some with not, whatever. So I'm excited to play with these. I probably won't do it this weekend. It will be before Christmas or for Christmas maybe, but when I do use them, I will do a video and I will share my results on Instagram. Okay, the next product I got is from Tarte, and it is their Tinted Hydrator or their Tinted Moisturizer. I don't know how to pronounce the name of it. I'm not even going to try. I didn't look it up. Bad me. Should have, but didn't. So anyway, I got the shade Deep Sand, and I actually had used their virtual try-on the Tarte website, and this is what one of the shades matched me to. One of them would just look too red. The other was definitely too dark. And I tried it on using various different lighting sources, like this kind of light that I've got here, which is totally artificial, going in front of different windows in the house. Came up with the same results. So I'm like, okay, I'm hoping that this will work. Let's actually pull it out and let me see if I think it's a possibility it could work or not. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe, maybe not. I mean, this isn't a clear container, so it is distorting the color or the shade a little bit. So we'll see. But anyway, let me tell you a little bit about this tinted moisturizer. So it has 12-hour hydration and wear. It's got a naturally radiant finish that looks and feels like skin. It's got light buildable coverage. It helps to minimize the appearance of imperfections. It's vegan, and it's they're repeating the 12-hour long wear and 12-hour hydration because apparently they want you to really know that's what it's got. I don't wear tinted moisturizer a whole lot. The one that I do have is a matte one, but I know like the days when I want to wear it now, it's just not going to work. I live in North Carolina now, and it's been feeling like winter, even though I think next week, or no, the remainder of this week is supposed to be warmer. I think maybe in the 60s. So I don't know. The weather just doesn't know what it's doing. It's just all over the place. But I had some days where it was really cold, and I really didn't feel like I needed a full face of foundation. It would have been nice to wear tinted moisturizer, but I didn't want to wear the matte one because I found that if I'm wearing a lot of matte products, my face just tends to feel drier throughout the day. I thought that maybe this might help. So we'll see. I'll do a review of this. I don't know if it'll be like a blog review and then Instagram, or if I'll do a video. But if you'd like to see a video on the tinted moisturizer from Tarte, put that in the comments down below and let me know. All right, let's go ahead and dig into the Myell box. Pretty pink box. Ooh, lots of noise. So Myell had all their products on sale for $6 during their Black Friday sale, which lasted for pretty much like a week. So if you missed it, where have you been? All right, I only purchased, I think, like 3 products, and I remember what 2 of them were, but I don't remember the third one. Oh, now I remember the third one. It came to me. Okay, so the first one, anyway, that I purchased was the Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk, and I use this on my wet hair only. I've tried it on my dry hair in the past, and it didn't quite work, but then my hair wasn't in great shape when I used it on my dry hair, so maybe I ought to try it on my dry hair again and see how it goes. But this is one of my favorite products to use when I'm roller setting my hair, so I thought it's $6. Let's go ahead and get one of these bottles. Let's see. Where are the other products? Oh, maybe I did. Did I? No, I don't know. But here's another one of the products that I bought. This is the Mangongo Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. And I use this on my hair when I am blow drying. I don't use it when I flat iron. I like to use something that's more like a serum when I flat iron my hair, but when I blow dry my hair, I use this. And I have several bottles that I bought a few years ago that I've kind of used a good portion of the stash. And I thought, let's just buy another one and add it because it's $6. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. That was the other product that I couldn't remember. The product that I thought I remembered is not one that I bought. I took it out of the cart. And the third product that I bought is the Myell Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. It's got biotin, and it's supposed to encourage hair growth. And use it on your hair, on your scalp. Basically, you section your hair and apply directly to your scalp. And what does it say that it does? It is supposed to help encourage healthier, stronger, and longer hair while providing shine and smoothing split ends. It's great for hair of all types and textures, and for those in protective styles, including braids, weaves, and chemically treated hair. It helps to improve your length retention, invigorates and nourishes the hair follicles, conditions dry scalp, and smooths split ends. I can't even talk tonight. So I wanted to give this a try. I've seen some really great reviews about it, and I also have been noticing that my scalp is kind of going through a transition. Since I've changed states, the whole atmosphere is just different, and my scalp is just trying to adjust, and I noticed that it's been a little drier than it normally is, and I thought maybe this might be helpful to kind of use to help with some of the scalp issues that I'm having. They're not bad scalp issues where there's a lot of flaking and all that kind of stuff. It's just, I've noticed just to the touch, it feels a little different. So I thought maybe I'd use this. I'm not going to use it this week. I will start using it next week. After I wash my hair. I want to start using it on freshly like clean scalp. I don't want to use it on a scalp that's had other stuff put on it already, because I've put Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp and I just don't want to put this on top. I want to use it by itself and see how it does. All right, so those are the items that I've got right now. I think I mentioned before, I've got one more box of things from Myell that I purchased that I'm waiting for it to get here. So once it does arrive, I will go ahead and open that box for you, and you'll be able to see the rest of the stuff that I bought for Black Friday. I'm back and I got my second box of Myell products. So let's go ahead and get this open. I know what's in here and I will show you what it is. So we've got 6 containers in this box. I'm kind of surprised that this box is so much smaller than the last one when there's fewer products. But anyhow, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles of the Healthy Hair Adult Vitamins. I have been using these before, liked them, but just couldn't justify the cost. And I could never get these on sale whenever they would have their $5, $6, or $7 sales for products. They would always be out of stock. Well, what happened was the first day of the sale, I went to make my order. They were out of stock with the vitamins. I said, let's not wait on other stuff. Let's just order it. Something told me the next day to check back online. I did. And they had the hair vitamins back in stock. I bought 5 of them. And then I also purchased another one of the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Oil. Figured, why not get another jar of that? Even though I hadn't used it yet, I have a feeling I might like it. It's kind of like 50-50 at this point. So I figured, let's just go ahead and get it. If I don't like it, I can always give it to someone else, because someone in my family will probably use it or take it. So that is my Black Friday haul this year. I should say it's kind of like a mini haul. It's not a lot of products. I bought a few multiples of the same thing, hair vitamins and the rosemary mint oil, and only bought from 2 places. But I am excited to try all of these things. If you really want to see a video review of any of this stuff, I've already done one of these hair vitamins, so I'm not going to do another one of them. But of any of the other stuff, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment box down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and don't forget to share it on your social channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.